Now, we're almost out of time, but we still have senior international correspondent Afua Hagan joining us now. Afua, I'm going to be very quick with the questions, and I hope you can summarize your answers. I'll ask two at a time if you don't mind. First off, how significant is this defeat for Viktor Orban after 16 years in power? And then, what does this result tell us about the mood of Hungarian voters right now?
Significant victory for the opposition. As you said, Orban had been in power for 16 years. But what has happened here with Peter Magyar is he has a supermajority. So he wiped out Viktor Orban's party, 132 seats. That's more than 2/3 of the majority, which means he can go about changing laws and changing the constitution and undoing this illiberal democracy that Viktor Orban has built. Now, what that means for Hungarian voters and for the Hungarian people going forward is they hope an improved economy, a country that is closer to Europe. Peter Magyar has been quite intent, and he's been saying it in a press conference in the past 2 hours, about rebuilding Hungary's ties with the European Union. So that's the direction that we can see Hungary heading over the coming months.
So this transition, what exactly was it about? Would you say it was mostly about the economy, or was it really about democracy?
I think it was about a bit of both. I think the economy certainly was a big hot button topic for voters. They saw real stagnation in the economy, and definitely this illiberal democracy that Viktor Orban had built had meant that the money didn't filter down to the people at the bottom of society, and they saw or felt that they saw a lot of corruption as well. And so I think, yes, the economy was a hot button topic, but yes, also was democracy, and also was Hungary wanting to be part of Europe again and having closer European ties. I think these two topics were huge for voters when they went to the polls.
So would Hungarians see any change under Magyar?
They want to see change under Magyar. That's what they so desperately want. They want an improved democracy. They want an improved economy. They want closer ties with the European Union. It is going to be a challenge for Peter Magyar to undo the systems that Orban built, but Hungarians are really hoping he can do it, and that he can do it quickly.
Afua, I've never seen you speak so fast, but thank you very much for considering our time. Thank you.
Thank you.